Hello everybody and welcome. It is part 2 of the flat on the Model S. I'm headed up to Hendersonville now. As you can see here in the top left hand corner of the display, the tire's showing 45 pounds. That's because it has a patch in it, and that patch hopefully will hold till I get up to the tire store in Hendersonville, place called Downtown Tire. They're a very capable bunch, so I'm taking my Model S up there and getting the tires replaced. I sound like Froggy, yes I do. If you want to know about Froggy, look up Our Gang and you can check out Froggy, but I think I pretty much sound like Froggy. Had a heck of a sore throat in the last couple days, been kind of just chilling out. Anyway, I'm headed that way. I'm off the interstate now onto a place called Upward Road. We're working our way into the bottom side of Hendersonville on surface streets. It's pretty busy on the main streets through town, so we kind of take the back roads here. Works out just fine. Tires holding fine. It's at 49 pounds. The rest of them are between 48 and 49. And we made it here to Downtown Tire. It's a little place. It's nice. Find a hole to park it in over here. They can get me as they can. There we go. It's probably as good as any. Might be able to pull up a hair more. There, should be good. All right, let's go check in, and they can come out when they're ready. They're going to do the alignment before they replace the tires. It doesn't matter in what order. As long as the car is aligned, that's what counts. All right, baby has new shoes, a nice set of Pilot Sport 4 tires on the stock rims that Tesla has. They're balanced, it's been aligned. The alignment was slightly off, but we lined it anyway since I got a new set of tires. And they're looking pretty good. So I think I'm ready to go. Head back to Tryon where I live, and I think we're good to go. So let's hit the road and see how this feels. All right, let's have a look at the alignment page here. As you can see, we weren't terribly out, but we were somewhat out on the front. That probably causes some issues. And then after alignment, we're all green. So we're good to go. All right, let's take this guy out on the road and see how it feels. I am home now. I left at 11 a.m. On the way up to Hendersonville where the tire store was. I stopped and got a Scottish lunch and headed north. I got there at about 11:35 early. They took me right away to get the alignment done. And as soon as they cleared the bay out, they brought the car in and stripped the old tires off and put on the new Michelin Pilot Sport 2 tires. Excellent. On the way home, the tires drive very well. Very quiet, and all in all, it's a good match here for the Tesla Model S. If you like this video, go ahead and click the like, and if you would, please subscribe. You know, I'd certainly appreciate it. Thanks for following along today. I'll look for you in the next videos, and take care.